Assalamu alaikum. Today is our fourth lesson of Arabic. Today I'm going to tell you about prepositions in Arabic. Let's start. So today I'm going to tell you about fi and ala. Fi means in something. For example, fil bayti means in the house. Fil masjidi means in the mosque. One more time. Fil bayti means in the house, and fil masjidi means in the masjid. Now I'm going to tell you what ala means. Ala means on something. For example, alal sariri, on the bed. Alal maktabi, on the desk. One more time. Alal sariri, on the bed. Alal maktabi, on the desk. Now I have some question and answers which start with aina, and that means where. Aina Muhammadun, where is Muhammad? Huwa fil ghurfati, he is in the room. Huwa means he, and ghurfati means room. One more time. Aina Muhammadun, where is Muhammad? Huwa fil ghurfati, he is in the room. Let's move on. Wa aina Yasirun, and where is Yasir? Huwa fil hamami, he is in the bathroom. Hamami means bathroom. One more time. Wa aina Yasirun, where is Yasir? Huwa fil hamami, he is in the bathroom. Let's move on. Wa aina Aminatu, and where is Amina? Hiya fil matbahi, she is in the kitchen. Hiya means she, and matbahi means kitchen. One more time. Wa aina Aminatu, and where is Amina? Hiya fil matbahi, she is in the kitchen. Let's move on. Aina kitabu, where is the book? Hiya alal maktabi, it is on the desk. Maktabi means desk. One more time. Aina kitabu, where is the book? Hiya alal maktabi, it is on the desk. Let's move on. Wa aina sa'atu, where is the watch? Huwa alal sariri, it is on the bed. Sa'ati means watch, sariri means bed. One more time. Wa aina sa'atu, and where is the watch? Hiya alal sariri, it is on the bed. And that was all for today. I'll see you another day, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.